Isa sa mga pinakamalaking changes
talaga.
sa
buhay ko nung naging artista na ako.
Okay. And on the other side, Slater?
Sa akin din, parang pareho kami nila, Paolo. Confidence. Kasi ako, I went into the house very probinsyano. Parang, very tahimik. Paglabas mo, you're forced to, kasi you're in the limelight na, you're forced to grow out of your shell.
Same. Yung confidence. Siyempre, papasok ka, parang mahihain ka, diba? Hindi mo naman, ayaw mo mag-feeling close sa mga tao.
Correct.
So, after that, nung nakilala mo na sila, for sure, maraming nanonood, so nakikilala ka na rin. So, sa labas, mas matutuwa ka na re-vote ka nila for a good reason. So, doon, nakatulong din siya.
And Jacob?
Isang sa mga positive things ay, of course, maraming supporters. I didn't expect that when I got out. At very busy kapag labas ng bahay. I thought kasi kapag labas ko ng bahay, ay back to normal life. Hindi pala. Maraming guessings, maraming projects. So, yun yung good blessing. And of course, mas confident na ako ngayon with myself. And I feel like I grew inside the house, yung personality ko.
Alright. Ngayon naman,